John and Son Chris here from Seahag Munitions. Today we're shooting candy out of the Kraken 50 at candy. So we're going to put these little suckers out of their misery. Stay tuned. So basically, if the Nazi zombies are coming, you're all out of ammo, and you have one of our cannons, you can shoot Easter candy. Hello, Mr. Nazi. How'd you like those Tootsie Tarts? Oh yeah, peppered his butt pretty good. Crap. Tootsie Rolls are not to be taken lightly. Look at this, man. You can do a lot of damage to a Nazi zombie with a Tootsie Roll. Holy crap. We gotcha. You guys ready for the Peep Show? Had a great time out here at the undisclosed location. Thanks for watching, and we'll continue to bring you awesome stuff on a weekly basis. Have a happy Easter.